Open the URL in the video description. Click on Get It Now. Choose where you would like to install the package. For this demo, we will choose Production. Agree to the terms, click on Confirm and Install. Once redirected to the Salesforce login page, please enter your Salesforce admin credentials. Choose Install for All and click the Install button. Once the installation is finished, you will be redirected to the Packages menu of your Salesforce account.
Some callers can't be identified because their numbers aren't stored in Salesforce. For this reason, we will create a default object to keep all these records. You can choose the entity type for the default object, account, lead, or contact. For this demonstration, we will create a default calls account. Copy the ID of the newly created account. Now we will configure the metadata object that will assist us with the creation of a log a call record to the default entity. Go to Setup, then Develop. Click on Custom Metadata Types. Click on Manage Records. Click on Voice Center Configuration. Click on Edit and add the ID of the default call account under the default entity ID field. Here you can also decide which entity the auto pop-up will choose to open. You can choose Entity or Task. Entity will initiate a pop-up of a specific object, account, contact, or any other object that was found by the caller ID. Task will initiate a pop-up of the newly created log call task and will allow your users to start adding notes on the go. For this demonstration, we will pick tasks.